Welcome to this tutorial on how to add a vignette effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, import your footage into Premiere Pro by clicking on the File menu, then Import and selecting your video file. Next, we'll create a new adjustment layer. To do this, go to the Project panel, right-click, then select New Item and Adjustment Layer. Drag the adjustment layer onto the timeline above your footage. Then, go to the Effects panel and search for Lumetri Color under Color Correction. Once you've found it, drag the effect onto the adjustment layer. In the Effect Controls panel, you can adjust the settings of the vignette effect to your liking. You can change the amount, midpoint, roundness, and feather to achieve the desired look. Play around with these settings until you're happy with the result. Remember, the goal is to add a subtle framing effect without distracting from the main content of your video. Finally, preview your video to see how the vignette effect looks in motion. And there you have it! You've successfully added a vignette effect to your video in Adobe Premiere Pro.